Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Purereviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you find this particular video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, maybe leave a comment. Those really help out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So, today's product is available on Amazon, and there is a link in the description that'll take you to the product page, where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a really nice vanity light. As you can see, it is above me right here. It is super easy to install, and it comes in either a 4-light or a 3-light configuration by a company called Clavie. Once you open it up, you're going to get, of course, all the parts and pieces minus the light bulbs. It's going to include an instruction manual that's going to tell you how to install it, but we're going to roll some footage here very shortly showing you how to install it. And then they're also going to include a pair of white gloves that you can use to clean the bulbs and get everything installed. So let's go ahead and show you that install footage right now.
So installation was very easy. It includes all the hardware. Simply just attach the mounting bracket, as you see here, to your junction box. Once that is attached, you're basically going to wire up the neutral and the live wire. My one comment is on the device, both wires are black. So be sure to look for the L in the N, which is what's going to tell you which is the live versus the neutral wire. Then after that, you're basically going to put the light on and go ahead and secure it to the mounting bracket. Make sure it's all nice and level. And then at this point, you are good to go ahead and put in the glass bulbs. Now, the glass bulbs themselves are about 3¼ inches wide at the bottom opening, which is perfect for your hand to screw in the light bulb. And they're just under about 6 inches in length. Once the bulbs are all put together and you have the light bulbs themselves, you are good to go ahead and restore power and give it a test to make sure it works. Now, some other things that I wanted to point out is the base that you screw the light bulb in is made out of a ceramic material instead of plastic, which I personally like because it just means it's a little bit more secure and it's not going to be a cheap plastic that dries out and breaks. It does take a standard light bulb, which is an E26 base. As I went ahead and used LED bulbs, but you can put in any bulb that is rated up to 60 watts for this particular light fixture. Now, as you're seeing it installed, I kind of want to go over the overall dimensions of the light itself. So like I mentioned, it comes in a 3 or 4. They may even have a 2-light, I don't remember. But overall length of the 4-light is it's about 30 inches and 3/4 in total length. And then the height from the top of the little metal bracket to the bottom of the glass is just under 10 inches, about 9¾ the back base mounting plate is a little over 5 inches in width and height. So that kind of gives you an overall size of how large this fixture is. So overall, I'm a big fan of the light fixture. It has a nice modern look to it. I really like the black lines to it, and the glass globes just really make the room nice and bright with the light bulbs. If you have some Edison bulbs, those look even really cool because you can see like that filament look to it. But yeah, overall, I am very satisfied with this looking vanity light.
So if you are in the market for a vanity light, I do totally recommend checking this one out and see if it is a perfect fit for your decor. That is basically it. So if there is something I didn't cover, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. Check out the link in the description. I'll take you to the current product page where you can see all the sale price and all that fun information. And until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.